Crash course on Haiti. Geolocation. Haiti is located on the western part of the island of Hispaniola in the Caribbean Sea. It shares the island with the Dominican Republic. Capital. The capital city of Haiti is Port-au-Prince. Population. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, the population of Haiti was approximately 11 million people. Economy. Haiti has a predominantly agricultural economy, with the majority of the population engaged in farming. However, the country faces economic challenges, including poverty and limited access to resources and infrastructure. Education. The education system in Haiti faces various challenges, including limited access and resources. Efforts are being made to improve education, but access to quality education remains a concern. Brief history. Haiti has a rich and complex history. It was the first independent nation in Latin America and the Caribbean, gaining independence from France in 1804 after a successful slave rebellion. The country has faced political instability, natural disasters, and socio-economic challenges throughout its history. Culture. Haitian culture is a vibrant blend of African, French, and Caribbean influences. It is characterized by its music, dance, art, literature, and religious practices, including voodoo. Politics. Haiti has experienced periods of political instability, with frequent changes in leadership and political unrest. The country has a democratic system of government, with a president as the head of state. Interesting stories. Examples. One significant event in Haiti's history is the Haitian Revolution, which led to the abolition of slavery and the establishment of an independent nation. This historic achievement had a profound impact on the fight against slavery and inspired other movements for freedom around the world. Top 12 attractions of Haiti. 1. Citadelle La Ferrière. Visit this impressive mountaintop fortress, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, built during the early 19th century. It offers breathtaking views and a glimpse into Haiti's history. 2. Labadie. Explore Labadie, a private resort area in Haiti, known for its beautiful beaches, water activities, and relaxing atmosphere. 3. Jacmel. Experience the vibrant art scene in Jacmel, a coastal town famous for its colorful handicrafts, carnival celebrations, and local artists. 4. Sans Souci Palace. Discover the ruins of the Sans Souci Palace, a former royal residence that was once the largest palace in the Americas, located near Millet. 5. Bassin Bleu. Take a refreshing dip in the natural pools of Bassin Bleu, surrounded by lush vegetation and cascading waterfalls. 6. Cap Haitien. Explore the historic city of Cap Haitien, known for its colonial architecture, lively markets, and proximity to the iconic Citadelle La Ferrière. 7. Saut Mathurin. Marvel at the beauty of Saut Mathurin, Haiti's largest waterfall located near the town of Camp Perrin. 8. Musée du Panthéon National Haitien. Visit the Musée du Panthéon National Haitien in Port-au-Prince, dedicated to preserving Haiti's history and cultural heritage. 9. Cocoy Beach. Relax on the pristine white sands of Cocoy Beach, a hidden gem on Haiti's southern coast, offering tranquility and natural beauty. 10. Port Salut. Enjoy the coastal charm of Port Salut, known for its stunning beaches, including the popular Gele Beach, and delicious seafood. 11. Iron Market. Experience the vibrant atmosphere of the Iron Market in Port-au-Prince, a bustling market where you can find local crafts, artwork, and traditional Haitian goods. 12. Les Cayes. Visit Les Cayes, a vibrant city in southern Haiti known for its beautiful beaches, waterfalls, and lively cultural festivals. Summary. Haiti, located on the island of Hispaniola, has a rich history, vibrant culture, and natural beauty to offer. Despite facing various challenges, including economic struggles and political instability, Haiti's attractions, such as the Citadelle La Ferrière, Labadie, and Jacmel, showcase the country's unique heritage and natural wonders. From its historic sites to its picturesque beaches and lively markets, Haiti invites visitors to explore its history, experience its vibrant culture, and appreciate its resilience. Verse 1. In the heart of the Caribbean, an island stands. Haiti, a land with rich history and vibrant lands. From Port-au-Prince to Citadelle La Ferrière High. A tale of strength and resilience, reaching the sky. Chorus. Haiti, Haiti, a spirit that can't be contained. Through struggles and triumphs, your beauty remains. From the mountains to the sea, your landscape's so grand. Haiti, Haiti, a jewel in the Caribbean sand. Verse 2. With colors and rhythms, your culture comes alive. From voodoo to art, an expression that thrives. In Labadie's shores and Jacmel's vibrant streets. The soul of Haiti, a melody that repeats. Chorus. Haiti, Haiti, a spirit that can't be contained. Through struggles and triumphs, your beauty remains. From the mountains to the sea, your landscape's so grand. Haiti, Haiti, a jewel in the Caribbean sand. Bridge. Through history's pages, a revolution roared. Freedom and liberation, a tale to be adored. From Sans Souci Palace to Iron Market's flare. Haiti's story, a legacy beyond compare. Verse 3. Bassin Blues cascades, a tranquil escape. And Cap Haitian's charm, memories to shape. Saint Matherin's beauty, a waterfall's grace. Haiti's nature, a paradise to embrace. Chorus. Haiti, Haiti, a spirit that can't be contained. Through struggles and triumphs, your beauty remains. From the mountains to the sea, your landscape's so grand. Haiti, Haiti, a jewel in the Caribbean sand. Outro. In Haiti's rhythm and warmth, a story unfolds. A nation with resilience, as the tale unfolds. From its vibrant culture to its stunning sights. Haiti, a beacon of strength and endless delights. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.